So I wanted some new photos for our website and for our business, and really because it's it's part of our brand. We haven't really had a photo shoot in the past. We've had a few behind the scenes shots, but there's nothing really of me, the director of the business. And I also want to promote some upcoming kind of workshops, smartphone workshops that we're running as well. And had some really, really good shots done today. The whole experience today has been absolutely amazing. There's been a group of us together, all different businesses, and we've been put in different scenarios, a meeting, presenting, and every different scenario of what you might do in your business, and we've had it photographed professionally, and actually we've been able to see the photos being taken as they've been going along on the laptop, and I can say they've been absolutely amazing, so I'm really looking forward to seeing them. I'd highly recommend Aid as a photographer. I've known him for years. We've done some work with him in the past, and all his shots are amazing. He puts out loads of stuff on social media. Really nice guy as well, really genuine. And like I said, highly recommend him. Give him a shout if you need photography for your business.